Today I'm going to go over how to use the ebook created for you for quarter two. So first I'm going to start in the Chrome store. If you type in Chrome Web Store in your browser, it'll take you to this page. Once you get here, I want you to type in EPub Reader in the search, and you're going to get this guy that's going to come up. It's productivity, read EPub files directly in the browser. This is the one you want. This can be used on your Chromebook, as well as any Chromebook that you log in to Google with. So make sure you are logged in under your SFUSD Google account and go ahead and hit add to Chrome. I already have it, so I can just rate it. Once you see it, it's going to be right here. That's what it's going to look like on your browser, EPub Reader. So I'm going to go back to Google Classroom, and I'm going to go to where it says the book, Humanities Quarter 2 English book. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to download it. Once I download it, I'm going to click on my EPub Reader, and I'm going to go here, and I'm going to find it. I'm going to open it up. So now it should have been in your, once you downloaded it to your Google Drive, you can open it up, and here it is. So again, I'm going to go through what I talked about in the first unit. I'm sorry, in our first recording about the syllabus. Each one of these books has special inlaid objects. So that still worked on this version. So you see, if I put the little cursor over it, you see the hand that turns into? None of these are where the quiz is, but once I get a clickable link, that's where your quiz is going to be. Quizzes will also be italicized and underlined. Your vocabulary building, your 10th grade vocabulary will be in red. Your cultural context vocabulary will be bolded. And here is where your writing prompts will be. So this is exactly what it'll look like in your browser every time you log into Google. So as soon as you log into Google, you will have access to your phone. You will have access to the book. There's also EPub readers you can download for your book. For your iPads, iPhones, or Android. So please let me know if you need to do that.